What do we got here?
I went to the post office. And a package.
Better than pants.
Yeah, better than pants. But it's from a guy named Thomas Rollins. Just open it. I don't know what he's saying. Thanks, brother. Oh, man.
Oh, dude. Here, hold that up to yourself.
What, dude? I mean, Lola Racing's pretty rad.
Yeah.
Sho'nuff. What?
You said, Sho'nuff. Sean, say it. Sho'nuff.
Yeah. Oh. So sick.
That's sweet.
Way rad. I can't believe it. That's so cool. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it.
What other cool stuff do we got here?
So I'm excited. So I already opened the package before I even got here. But this is exciting. Let's send up. So we got a flywheel from Clutch Masters for the cool truck. So yeah, one more step further.
Because now we can put our Jericho transmission with our Clutch Masters clutch to a K.
Yep. So it's pretty much the exact dimensions is what we were doing with Sho'nuff.
Yeah. Yeah, Lewis sent us this real quick over at Clutch Masters.
Way right.
I just called him and it was here like 3 or 4 days later and they had to make it.
Yep. As you guys know, we got the truck tore down and now we get the drivetrain pretty much put together. So the next thing we're going to do is pull the winner's rear end out and go through that whole thing because something was wrong with that. That's why part of the deal. Why
That's how we got it so cheap. Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead and get the rear end pulled and fixed, and then
we've already got a motor. We've got a Jericho.
Yep.
And now we've got all the clutch stuff.
So then we'll get the whole thing all put together, and yeah, that's gonna be awesome.
Go whip some donuts and do some burnouts.
Yeah, so rad. That's what's kind of cooking.
So some other cool stuff just to catch everybody up here. We got the rest of the lifts up. Focus. Focus. We got the rest of the lifts here from Brent's shop at the house. We got LED lights in my bay. And then we've got more coming for the rest of them. We just wanted to see what they looked like and how they worked. Shane's lift up. Sean's lift up. All the toolboxes here. All Sean's equipment's working now. Just Sean's not working. He will be. All of his equipment ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, it's rad.
Starting to look like a shop again.
Fine. Yeah. So you see what we got going on now with the shop. Kind of updated, and thank goodness we won't have the air compressor noise in the background anymore. Relief for us all. Stresses me out. But we're still gonna finish the bathroom. I've got to actually hammer up. I have to cut a section and hammer up some of the floor. And we have a new water main coming in because we finally got our own water main for the building. Because we were tied to a whole bunch of properties because the guy owned everything and kind of sectioned it off, so it's all good. Anyway, we got it figured out. Today I'm going to start a little tune on Chris's hot rod. He just changed the turbo manifold to a T4 style with a bigger back housing, and he's got some pretty conservative goals. I think it's 500 horse. It's just a rod piston CSS block, and we should be able to hit 500. It's kind of his goals. It's his little baby. Him and his wife kind of put together, and I'm just gonna try to knock it out. Shane, I think, just put the manifold all together and everything.
Exhaust housing for a T4.
Yep.
This was all in another shell before. This shell was nicer than the one they had. So they took everything out, refabbed a bunch of stuff, and put it in this shell. The exhaust port.
Yeah, I kind of like how they did the exhaust.
Yeah, Sean did that.
Yeah, kind of stuffed it out the side so it'll stick out the bumper when he gets it all put together. That's cool. It's different. I like different. But yeah, so let's get started and see what this thing will do. First thing we'll do is an initial inspection. I need my flashlight for me, so it may get dark and focus on kind of what we're looking at. But down here, I just want to make sure I got the right colors of the idle motor, and the air temp, and the injectors. Make sure everything's plugged in right there. The map and TPS. We're gonna just confirm those. So what we're looking for on the map sensor is that that green is in the middle, and on the TPS, make sure it's in the middle. It's got a red wire, the black stripe. That's how you'll know. So this one is also on Honda. It's in the P72 ECU with boost control, 6266 turbo. Seems to be the turbo of choice, huh? Do a lot of them. It's pretty good turbos. It's rad. I like the Integra, the Type R front end. I think they all always look good. It's pretty cool. Sho'nuff. It's rad. Can't get over it. Thanks, Thomas, again. Okay, I think I'm set up. So everybody else is really busy and doing their thing. So it's gonna be just you guys and me. Should be kind of cool. Just let me know if you see something I missed. Cause what? 80,000 eyes or 100,000 eyes are better than 2. Any day. All right, let's do this. All right, so first thing we did, we got the Dyno set up. Let's turn our stack on. Get my hand controller. So now we got the air lines running through everything. I was pretty stoked about that. Whoa! You can hear the air. Yes! This is wicked rad. And I don't hear a thing. And neither do you. This is too great. Alright, we're gonna plug in. Download. Alright, and then we're gonna go live. The first thing I need to do, I've already synced the car with the distributor. Already have done all that stuff previously. I need to test the output for the boost solenoid. This hertz doesn't seem to work, so I'm going to change the hertz to 30, and then I'm going to give it 60% duty, and we're going to go check out the solenoid real quick. Alright, let's go listen. Okay, it's really hard to hear, but it's clicking. These guys are over there slow riding, taking it easy. Although I love to jam. It's concentrate mode. Okay, so it's us. So let's turn the fan on. Fan's on. Dyno set. Boost solenoid works. Close that out. And then we're gonna put some heat into it. Oh, once you not, dead battery. All right, so we're going to find the jump box, fire it up, and then start putting heat in it. Jump box is on. Time to put some heat in it. We're at 67 degrees. So let's get some temp in it. Rock it. We got 174 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and make an initial tug on it and see where we're at. It'll be on wastegate spring only. So that was my first pull. So he calls me and he says, I only want 500 horsepower. I don't even have the boost controller working yet. I haven't even turned it on. So I'm gonna have to like just inspect things because that's not what I was expecting. Oops. It's always a fun oops though. Hey, check out who showed up. Pajamas and Samantha, and you got some boxes. Sweet. All right. I accidentally made more power than I was supposed to. He asked me for a 500. How do we turn it down? All right, we'll figure it out. So guys, that was 576 horsepower on the first pull. and I was not expecting that at all. So things I need to check are the connections on the boost solenoid and making sure that they're correct. I gotta start there. But whoa, that was intense. You see me riding it? Ah, dang, we got this. I'm still kind of pumped up. I hope you guys are too. 576. What, dude? He's gonna freak out and be so pumped. I'm so pumped for him. This may be a short video. I already did the goal. So on my log, right here, I recorded, come on, focus in. I recorded 21 pounds of boost. 57% duty cycle on the injectors. Dang. But look, my PWM is only 3%. So we're gonna make sure it's not inverted or something silly. And it may just have a big wastegate spring. It's not the only other way this would happen. Dang, that thing just ripped. Whoa. I'm still blown away by it. It's cool. It's cool if that's what you're into, I guess. And that's what I'm into, so. So what I may do, I can try to invert the boost solenoid, or I can just pull the line from the top of the gate and ride it out again and see if, see what it makes on just the gate. And that's probably what I'll do. Just keeps it simple, lets me know what's real, and we can move forward, because that's cool and all, but I want to know why it did it, and I'm sure you guys do too. So let's figure it out. Yeah, I'm still blown away. So this pull, we are just on the source, nothing to the top, no boost control, no nothing. So let's see the minimum boost it can make and make sure we're not causing the high boost. So not like I mind being at this boost level, I just want to know, because I've got to control it, right? So okay, let's do it. Let's do this, guys. Change a little temperature. Cool off pretty quick. Hopefully my dyno will slow it down too. We just got the air hooked up, so I may need to adjust the regulator or whatever. That was wild. Okay guys, this is on the waste gate. Are you ready? Are you ready?
When I say, who's the master? You say, Sho'nuff.
This is a tune I built a while ago. The old turbo setup we made around 400 some horse. And I just kind of stepped it up, but man, it's already there. Like, the air fuel looks perfect. I wanted to do a full tune-up and workup with you guys. This is like, what do? I can't turn it down. I can take some timing out of it, but it's safe. There's not a lot in it. 617 horsepower. And it was you guys and me. We did it. It's too rad. Too rad. I'm glad you guys could hang out with me. Man, it was like this ride. It's good. It was really good. Sorry, I'm pretty pumped up. I hope you guys are too. 617 horse. This is a rod, piston, CSS, spring retainer, engine. That's it. 62. We got a new manifold with a T4 housing. We did a T4, so it's got the T4 back housing. I think we did the 9.4 AR, if I'm not mistaken. I double checked that with Jamie, but I know he put the bigger AR on it. And it just unchoked it, man. It just lit the car up. That's what we're after. Oh, yes. Chris, I'm not even gonna tell you what it made. You gotta watch this. What a jerk. Well, I'm gonna be the jerk, but he'll be stoked. He's gonna be so stoked. That's without the boost controller on. Let's see what kind of boost we made. It's probably still logging. I'm still so pumped up. No, it stopped logging. 24 pounds of boost on the gate. It's got a really heavy wastegate spring, so the boost control, you can see it says 4%, but we don't even have the line hooked up. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I should shut this thing off. I was just still so pumped up. Unreal, right? No way! I think he just, what a setup. What a setup. He's coming to pick it up on Saturday. Means I gotta get this video out before Saturday. So some of the videos, I've got some more videos that I was gonna make, and then the air compressor noise in the background just killed it, man. Just killed me. You know, I just didn't want you guys to go listen to that the entire time. So those ones I just feel like they're dead. So we'll just call it fresh, and we'll start now, and we'll just start plowing them out. You guys mind just hanging out in Dyno with me? I hope not, because I mean that's what I do a lot of, you know. That's why you see a lot of the guys kind of working on a lot of the stuff. We work on it after hours and stuff too, and I'll include you guys in all that too. But look at my Sho'nuff shirt. The exhaust blew it. I had it sitting here on the window. It's wicked. But yeah, so we got some rad projects coming. Sho'nuff, the Bully Pro front car, the coal truck, which isn't here right now, but you guys know. Well, I guess that's gonna do it for today. Glad you guys came out with me. We're 2 pulls in. I don't know what else I can do. I can turn it up to 700, but I kind of got to give his approval, but he only wanted 5. Maybe I can put a lighter spring in it. I don't know. It looks good. Because you can see it was like 21 pounds, and then it just like peaked up 24 at 7,000-ish, and was like, what do we do? He would say just leave it. So, I mean, that's how I feel like I gotta do. I guess I'll close it out. That was it. Thanks for hanging out. Check out more PFI speed videos if you're just new to the channel, and just keep hanging out with me. It's rad. Take it easy.